Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're a fan of bold, long-lasting lip colors, then you'll want to stick around for this review. Today we're talking about the Kylie Cosmetics Matte Lip Kit in shade 802 Candy. This duo promises a flawless matte lip look that's ready to go, and I'm excited to dive into whether it lives up to the hype. So, what exactly do we have here? The Kylie Cosmetics Matte Lip Kit includes two key pieces, a liquid lipstick and a matching lip liner. Both are designed to give you a full coverage, long-wearing matte lip with a smudge-resistant finish. The liquid lipstick weighs in at 0.10 ounce, while the lip liner is 0.03 ounce, and they are both touted to last for 8 hours or more. Now let's talk about the formula. The liquid lipstick has a creamy texture that dries down to a velvety matte finish. What's great about this formula is that it's highly pigmented, giving you an intense pop of color right from the first swipe. I've been wearing it for a couple of days now, and it's definitely long-lasting. Even after meals and drinks, I didn't experience much fading. Plus, it has a lightweight feel, so you're not constantly reminded that you're wearing lipstick. As for the lip liner, it's smooth and easy to apply. It glides on without tugging or pulling at your lips, which is a huge plus when you're trying to create that perfect outline. It also doesn't smudge easily, which helps keep your lip color looking fresh and defined throughout the day. But of course, no product is perfect. While I love how well the lipstick stays put, it does have a tendency to feel a little dry after a few hours of wear. If you have drier lips, you might want to apply a lip balm beforehand to keep things comfortable. Also, because it's such a long-wearing formula, removing it at the end of the day requires a bit more effort, but nothing too difficult with a good makeup remover. Now let's talk about the value. Kylie Cosmetics is definitely positioned as a premium brand, so this lip kit is priced higher than drugstore options. However, considering the quality, pigmentation, and wear time, I do think it's worth the investment if you're looking for something that stays put all day and delivers bold, vibrant color. It's an excellent choice for special occasions or when you want a lip look that lasts. For those of you who are on a budget, there are definitely similar lip kits from other brands, such as Maybelline's Superstay Matte Ink, which offers long wear and vibrant color at a lower price point. But if you're a fan of Kylie's signature shades and want a kit that delivers both performance and luxury, this one is a solid pick. In terms of build quality, the packaging feels sturdy, and both the lipstick and liner are well made. The lipstick tube has a nice weight to it, and the applicator is easy to use for precise application. The liner also has a good amount of product, and the pencil design ensures that you get a consistent application every time. I haven't had any direct experience with Kylie Cosmetics customer service, but based on their reputation, I'd expect prompt responses and support if you needed it. They also frequently update their products, whether it's adding new shades or improving formulas, so you can expect ongoing innovation from the brand. So does this lip kit live up to the hype? I'd say it does. It's a high-performance product that delivers bold color, long wear, and a smooth finish. It's especially great for those who prioritize durability and want their lips to stay put throughout the day. However, if you have very dry lips, you might want to prep your lips beforehand, as it can feel a little drying after several hours. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. We love hearing about your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.